Ready to discover a song? First, grab your phone and open the Shazam app. It's the perfect tool for music lovers. Got music playing? Ensure your phone's volume is up. Shazam works best when it can really hear the tune. Feeling the beat? Tap the Shazam button right in the center. You'll be amazed at how quickly it recognizes the song. Shazam will listen intently. Keep your phone still for a few seconds so it can catch every note and lyric. And the moment arrives. Within moments, Shazam will display the song title and artist. Great, right? Now you can explore the song further, add it to playlists, or share it with friends. Enjoy your music journey. For the best results, test Shazam in different environments. Some places enhance the app's ability to identify songs. Use headphones if you're in a noisy area. Clearer sound helps Shazam work its magic more effectively. If Shazam struggles, try restarting the app or your phone. A quick fix can make all the difference. Remember, consistency is key. The more you use Shazam, the better you become at discovering new music. So, are you ready to unleash your music potential? Shazam is your new best friend in music exploration. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your journey into the world of music with Shazam, and keep discovering.